Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Handmade. This year, I decided to get a bit more organized, and the first DIY I decided to do is this desk calendar. I've always wanted one, and if you're interested in how you can make your own, just keep on watching. The first thing you'll need to do is make a template with paper. I found that this calendar was much easier to make because of this template. You can go ahead and click the link in the description box if you want to make this exact calendar. Alright, now to start, I cut out the main wood block down to the size that I wanted, and then I painted it white. To make the base, I wanted a nice dark stain, so I cut the wood off camera. I diluted some black paint in water, and then I painted a few layers on the wood until I got the color payoff I wanted. Next, I cut down the acrylic, then painted an ombre color pattern, and when I was happy with the way it looked, I set it aside to dry. Once the paint dried on the acrylic, I sealed the color in with a clear coat, let that dry, then I added the months using a stencil I made with my Cricut. Again, you can go to a craft store and get some stickers. Michael's had plenty on hand. Next, I placed the template on top of the acrylic and drilled holes on each side. To make the numbers, I used this rubber cement and coated the white craft board and mounted that onto a black craft board. Using my template, I punched out the hole and then added custom numbers I made with my Cricut to each of the squares. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, you can definitely do this by hand, but if you want a nice clean look, I suggest that you get either stickers from Michael's or use a Cricut if you have one. I went ahead and placed the template on the wood again, and I traced where the hole should be for the dates and numbers. I nailed in these small gold nails in the front, flip the wood over, and staple some elastic on the back to hold the rest of the months. I went ahead and added these cup hooks to the front and moved on to the base. I found the center of the base, added some wood glue, and taped the main wood to the base. I flipped the entire thing upside down and secured it with some brad nails. I wiped away any excess glue, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my rendition of this calendar, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I have a blog post if you want step-by-step instructions and links to the templates that I used in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!